Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to animate your pictures in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to animate in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application or any of the browser and open canva.com into there. Then after opening app or site for the Canva, you just simply have to select any of the template, projects, existing projects and create new project. I'm selecting one of my existing project into here. And now after selecting the project that you want to work on, just simply select the image which you want to animate and then this animate option will appear into the top. Just simply tap into animate option and you can choose so many options in order to animate. I'm selecting this breathe option into here and as you can see here, Canva successfully animated my picture. This way you can very easily animate your pictures in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.